Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after updating to iOS 26, some users are facing really frustrating issue. The camera app keeps crashing, or pictures are coming out blurry and out of focus. And let's be real, when your iPhone camera doesn't work properly, it's super annoying because we use it almost every day. Don't worry, I'll have got you covered. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy fixes step by step. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Force close and reopen the camera app. Sometimes the app just glitches. Swipe up from bottom and find the camera app in the multitasking screen. Swipe it to close completely. Open it again and check if it works fine. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button together. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone. Wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. Most of the time, this clears minor software bugs. Solution 3. Clean the camera lens. It might not be a software at all, just a dirty lens. Take a microfiber cloth and gently wipe both the front and back cameras. Solution 4. Software update. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap Software update. If an update is available, install and download it. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Go to Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then tap Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. And again tap on Reset to confirm your action. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos and data. It just resets system settings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.